are you here for?
Steakhouse DBAD WAR BOWIE.
Oh yeah, someone picked that up for you?
Yeah.
Yeah, he must be a cool fucking dude. Handsome too.
Yeah, I don't know about handsome, but I guess he gets by. Alright, I'm ready.
So, yeah.
That's a big hunk of beef.
Real quick, I figured I'd stop here and tell you the backstory about this knife. What happened was, my mother, she had to go to surgery, and none of us were around to take her. So the pirate captain stepped up, and he picked her up super early in the morning, around 5:30, and took her to the hospital, waited there all day, and then he had to sign off on her and take her home. And for doing that, me and my mother chipped in and got him the DBAD WAR BOWIE that he was looking at for quite a long time. And that's not my actual mother, fucking perverts.
There we go. Well, I already see what you mean by the leather sheath. Holy shit, dude. Oh, there she is. Holy fuck, dude. Dude, this is a legit short sword.
Yeah, I fucking. I tell you, it feels fucking huge.
I was coming here yet.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I just told him I went to Jack. Oh yeah, dude.
That's it there.
That's sharp as the devil's dick right there.
It's, when it's oily, it's super scary.
Yeah, dude.
Now, let me tell you something. Don't ever be hesitant about giving one of your friends a quality weapon. Because if the time comes and you picked your friends right, that weapon also has your back as well.